Hello, today we are going to solve one question from WBCS Mains General Studies paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. During the reign of which Mughal was tobacco introduced in India, whether he is Aurangzeb, Jahangir, Akbar or Shah Jahan? So here we try to give you the right answer along with a small description with it. So let's get into the answer. Tobacco in India was introduced by Portuguese during the reign of Akbar. However, later it became so popular till 1670 that Jahangir had to prohibit the use of tobacco in his empire. Okay, so the right answer is option 3. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.